Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Union Station did not stop evolving after becoming a hotel. Instead, it shifted again, this time into something much closer to entertainment. What used to move people across the country now pulls people in for a completely different reason. The most obvious change is the Ferris wheel. It rises above the complex and immediately stands out against the older architecture. This is not a subtle redevelopment. It is a clear move from transportation infrastructure into leisure destination. From the top of the wheel, the perspective changes again. You're no longer inside the structure or passing through it. You're now looking out over the city, with the station sitting below as part of a much larger urban layout. It flips the original purpose. Instead of arriving here from somewhere else, you're now using it as a vantage point. This shift reflects a broader trend in cities like St. Louis. Large industrial or transport spaces are no longer needed in the same way, so they get repurposed into places where people spend time rather than move through quickly. The function changes, but the scale stays. Around the wheel, the area has been built out with attractions, lighting, and open spaces designed for visitors. It is structured to keep people here longer, giving the space a different pace and purpose. That contrast is what defines this part of Union Station. The original structure was built for speed and volume. Everything had to work quickly to move passengers through. Now, the design encourages the opposite. People slow down, stop, and take in the space. Even the lighting at night changes how the area feels. The station becomes part of a staged environment rather than a working system. It is designed to be seen, not just used. This is where the transformation becomes most visible. You're no longer looking at a former train station with new features added. You're looking at a place that has been fully shifted into entertainment. The wheel, the open space, and the surrounding attractions all reinforce that change. Movement is no longer the purpose. Being here is. And that creates a different kind of draw. Instead of passing through on the way to somewhere else, people now come here with no destination beyond the space itself, staying longer and using the space in a completely different way.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.